Slay group and welcome back to another vid. We just came back from outside, like from the other video showing you the treasure chest. But in this video we have to be really quiet because we're doing a prank on the boys.
Yeah, boys.
Yeah, boys. Now,
And one of us, I guess.
Oh yeah, and one of us slay girls. So my two slay girls pranked me, and they actually they put water into a bottle and put baby powder in it, and then when they bring it over to me, they said drink it, but I looked at the water and it looked so dirty, and I smelt it and it smelled like cream.
No, and we done it on the boys, Noah and Tamar, and Noah drank the baby powder. Like
Okay,
but Tamar was feeling he didn't drink it.
Yeah.
But it was a good prank though.
Yeah, but we should. Oh, I got an idea. Okay, so we came into my parents' room just to think about what we're gonna do, and I got an idea for this.
What is it?
So we can mix this.
Pretend it's bird proof.
Yeah, and then we mix it up, and then add something like black to it, or like mix it up with shampoo, like a little bit of shampoo, so we don't waste it. And then we make it like smell bad with something like a lot of perfume, and it will make it smell so bad.
Wait, let's pretend. Oh, I have a best idea. Why don't we put on our hand and then we wipe it all over the face?
Okay. How about you do it on time or I do it on all?
No, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god. I'm so excited.
Okay, let's
Let's do this.
Put as much, because I don't want to put it in your hand. I don't even know how much you're gonna spread.
I don't know. This much?
Are you sure he won't cry?
I do not know. I do not know. Wait, does it look like bad people right now?
We're supposed to meet. Come on, just spread it on yourself. Just spread it on yourself. It's cream though, so we can't obviously waste cream.
Yeah, we can't obviously waste cream.
Because cream is good for your skin. Guys, like this video if you use oil, and subscribe if you use cream.
Because I used something and I don't know if it's cream or not. But I think it is.
Yeah.
I have two. And guys, I even have a clay face box for my sister on Christmas.
Yeah. Okay, let's bring the camera with us and bring a bomb. Wait. Or we can just find something from here.
Yeah.
How about let's mix pure Fiji cream with Nivea cream?
Yeah.
Because both smelled so good, but I think both of them too good smelled can smell bad.
Yeah.
Okay. First, the Fiji cream. This is from our home country, so yeah.
Yeah, I
Smell,
got.
guys, and look it smells so good.
Oh wow. Yeah, my mom has one, but it's a perfume.
Wait, it's a. Whoa, she has a perfume.
Yeah.
Oh, lucky. My mom used to have it.
Oh my gosh, what did you done? Hold on.
No, like put it on your finger and then it looks like that. And then guys, look, it looks like bird poop was splat on you. No, don't spread it. Just go like, we're gonna do a second one, but that's all. So we don't want to waste it.
I'm gonna get it already.
They're gonna be so disgusted.
Yeah, that would be so disgusting.
Okay, now we're done with the Fiji cream.
Now
It's time for the Nivea cream. Okay.
Olivia.
So I'm gonna like put some on my. Wait, can you press it down on my finger? Okay. Hold on, I'll press it down on your finger. And then together, look, it will actually look like it's. Oh. The boys, we gotta hurry because we can't let the boys catch it. Look at that, guys. But we need black with it. What about a Sharpie or something? Wait, does it hurt or no? Guys, look at that. Show it.
Oh,
Red poop.
oh my goodness.
Hold on, but we need something black. Wait.
No.
Oh, this black paint, but no. Wait, we can kind of rub soap in our hands.
Kind of.
Pick a little piece off for both of us. It's lovely, but we have to do this for like. No, I only got the piece for us.
Oh.
So this one's mine. And this is yours. This is actual. Guys, we ripped a piece of soap and we're gonna just mush it down. But don't let it get in their mouth.
Yeah. Really can't wait on that.
Does Temo like sometimes eat soap?
No, it does not. Bro, does it even look like bread poop?
Yeah, it does. What was that? Wait, let's turn on the tap and wash our hands. Because I need to hold the camera and do it.
Well, yeah. Guys, look at that.
Guys, look at that. Wait, show it.
Look at that.
I know, right? Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Just
Bro, time.
okay, guys, look. Should we put a little bit more cream on the soap?
Yeah.
Okay, Nivea cream. Let's use Nivea cream because we already. Yeah.
Oh.
Only a little bit because my parents are gonna be mad.
If we done it.
Yeah, if we put too much. Ew. But it's worth it. It's worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Oh, just pretend we came back from outside.
I don't.
Guys, we're back from outside.
Yeah. And what do you found?
Bird poop.
Ew, not again.
It's not yogurt. It's not yogurt. The yogurt's finished. This is bird poop.
Parents, you're not touching bird poop.
They don't really care because.
Fine, tell me. Found it, I'll spit on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you get. Like, does Noah have it on it? No.
Does he have it on?
Stop! Stop! You're gonna make me and Temple cry. Oh, you're supposed to be like Suki Baby or something.
Oh, you're supposed to eat like a toilet when you don't even exist.
Fine, then eat this. Because you're a skibbity toilet.
Get on my face!
Get on my face too. Stop!
Oh, I got it on. Can I slap you with this?
Stop!
Do you want me to hit you with this?
Stop!
Guys, we pranked it!
We pranked you. It was soap and cream.
Yeah!
You fell for it. No, we're not.
We are not!
They think we're disgusting.
Guys, we found this stuff for it!
Yeah, they fell for it. It looks so obvious. Even my sister fell for it. She's like 1 year younger than me, and she's like old enough to know that is fake.
Yeah, but they don't even know it's a wall. It's a prank wall.
Yeah.
Like, did they fully forgot about the prank wall?
Yeah, we're washing our hands now, and it's gonna be the end of our video. Guys, just please get us, please please get us to 50 subscribers so we can do a live with you guys. We really want to see you guys in real life, and yeah, we just want to like introduce ourselves and stuff.
Wait, one on the next. So guys, please like and subscribe, but don't unsubscribe or like, because we want to get to 50 subscribers.
Yeah, and we want to try to get to 1K. But I don't even know you need 1K to get a silver play button. Guys, can you comment down below how much you need to get a silver play button? And yeah, wait, I wanted to do this trick.
Wait. Alright, that's all we needed. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, bye. Bye, Slay Group.
Bye, Slay Group.
Have a good night.
Yeah, a good night.
Ready? Bye. Hold on, girls out, ready?
Hold on. Guys, we're gonna show you the...
If you're really a part of the Slay Group, then you might already know the Slay Girl Shake. But if you don't know it, we probably uploaded a post of a shot of us doing the Slay Group Shake. Ready? Girls out. Okay.
But if you guys know it, subscribe. If you guys don't know it, just like.
Have a not Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year and have a good day and good night. Bye, Slay Group.